Hello everyone, my name is Eka Febetaratia. My ID number is 102500094 and this is my partner.
My name is Marciana Mulanankur with ID 10250001.
So today topic is a bit random. The topic is the relationship between computer networks and the internet in everyday life.
So what do we do even start?
Okay, so think about this. Have you ever wondered how your laptop can print a document so a printer you didn't even look a cable into?
Oh yeah, exactly. Like I just click print and the pop of the printer on the is on.
That's a computer network doing its thing right there. Picture it like this. You've got a friend group, right? In that group, you can chat directly with person A. Then person A can pass info along to person B. And so on will the device in your house, laptop, phone, printer, smart TV, their friends, to accept instead to humans chatting. It's nextness.
Also, it's like there's a group chat, but the members are the laptop and a printer.
Exactly that. And the group admin is your Wi-Fi router at home. The router's job is to make sure all the devices can connect to each other and send data back and forth.
So when I print a document, my laptop is basically sending a message to the printer through the router.
Exactly right. And just like sending a message to a friend in group chat, except this is the device connection.
Wow, I never realized that. Didn't you see there was another analogy?
There is. You can think of a computer network like a ZD traffic system. Each device is like a host, and the cable of our Wi-Fi signal are the routes connecting those hosts together.
And the data?
And the data is like a car driving or two roads carrying package from one host to another.
But if there's a ton of cars driving at once, don't they get lost sometimes? How does the data not get lost?
Great question. There's exactly why every device has something called an IP address. It works just like your home address, so the data doesn't get lost and actually arrives at the right destination.
Oh, so it's like a house address, so the physics reaches the right house instead of the neighbors.
Exactly. Now a network like this, one that small in scale, like just within your house or office, that called a LAN local area network. Simply put, it's a local network with a small scope.
Got it, but is it only with the house? How can I chat with the friends? Who's another?
That's where it gets interesting. The small networks, like the one in your house, don't just stand alone. They can connect with other small networks, and then those networks link up to even bigger networks.
And if it all the small networks in the entire world connect into one, what does the become?
Ah, that's exactly that we're getting into next. Hold on a second.
You are really leaving me on the cliffhanger.
That keep you curious. But before we move, here's the key takeaway. A computer network is basically how devices recognize each other and exchange information, whether at home, at office, or at school. That's the foundation.
Okay, now let's stop. Move on the topic to
Okay, alright. quick break and we're moving on to something even bigger.
You mean the internet?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, so earlier you say the small networks connect into one. Is the what the internet is?
Exactly. So if a computer network is like a small friend group at home or in the office, the internet is basically all of those friend groups around the entire world combined, all able to reach each other.
Oh, that's why it is called the networks of all networks, huh?
You're getting it. Exactly right. Let's go back to the analogy. Your home network is like a small housing computer complex. That complex connects to a bigger highway linking to other cities and then other regions until eventually it connects to other countries too.
So the internet is like a massive highway system.
Exactly, one that connects millions of small networks all over the world into one giant system that can talk to each other.
That's actually pretty wild when you think about it. But how does actually offer our day-to-day lives?
This is where it gets fun. Remember last night when you were watching Netflix until 2 a.m.?
Wait, how do you know that?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, that's true.
Okay, so think about it. When you hit play, what's actually happening? The movie you're watching is turned on a server somewhere in some other country. Then it gets sent through the internet, traveling through a ton of routes until it finally arrives on your phone or TV screen.
And that's all happens crazy fast, like it's instant.
Right, that's the insane part of all of happens in a matter of seconds, sometimes even less.
What about WhatsApp? Does it go through the same process?
Exactly the same. The message you type doesn't just teleport straight to your friend's home. It's travel from your phone through your home network into the internet, bounce around through various servers along the way until it finally lands on your friend's phone, who might be in another city or even another country.
But it feels like connect instantly even though the process is actually that long.
Right. That's because the internet is so fast nowadays that it feels like we're talking directly to each other, even though there's this whole long process happening behind the screens.
So that means email, video calling family who lives out the town, scrolling Instagram, all of that goes through the same kind of process.
Exactly, all of it happens because small networks of all over the world are connected through the internet.
So the internet is what makes the world feel smaller since physical distance is not really a barrier to staying connected anymore.
You nailed the whole point right there. So, to sum it up, a computer network is the foundation, the way the face are run as recognize each other and exchange information. The internet is what ties all those small foundation together into one global network.
Which is what let us watch chat, work, and even learn from anywhere, anytime.
Yeah, you're basically an expert now.
All the thanks to you.
Nah, guys, next time so you open or scroll through Netflix. Now you know there's this whole long journey happening behind the screen that makes it all possible.
It's honestly pretty amazing when you think about the touch we use every single day.
Alright, the sticking with us till the end.
And don't forget to share this with your friends. We still mix up networks and the internet.
See you guys in the next episode.